Today we're going to be exploring movement using a chair. This is great if you have any issues with inflammation or mobility or even just standing. This is going to help you boost your circulation, improve your energy and your overall mobility. Find a chair and come to a seated position. Let's place the feet flat onto the floor, hip width apart, and let's start right up at these shoulders. Rolling the shoulders and sitting up nice and tall. So I'm not leaning back into the chair. I'm working right away on my posture, stacking shoulders on top of hips. Think about your sitting bones and where they are placed on your chair, and keeping your hands on your thighs. We're going to tuck the tailbone. Leaning back, you might feel your back moving into the back of the chair. And now arch your back away from the chair, looking up. And rounding. And arching. We have breath. We have a focus point. Looking up as we arch, looking down as we round back. We have awareness building. Think about the pelvis in the body in relation to the hips and the spine. See which way your body prefers to move. Do you like the arch more than the rounding? Adding on. When we round back, we're just going to reach our arms forward. They could be a little higher than the shoulders. And now drop the hands where they were and open up the chest. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. 2 more. Last time. And then just come back to neutral, not arching, not rounding, just in the happy middle. Now rolling the shoulders forward and rolling the shoulders back. Let's test our coordination by shrugging the shoulders and sending one shoulder forward and the other shoulder back, and continuing to roll the shoulder and the shoulders, continuing to roll the shoulders in opposite directions at the same time. No big deal. Try not to think about it too much. It's more of a feeling, sensing, playing, and stop and try to go the other direction. Sit tall. Keep breathing. Let's try 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, shrug both shoulders up, and exhale, let them drop down. Good job. Send one arm forward and just extend the other leg out, and let's circle the wrist and the ankle at the same time. Sit up tall. Try not to slouch. Take the circles the other direction. This is mind exercise as well. 3, 2, and 1. Lower that down. Send the other arm and the opposite leg forward and find the circling. Think about the joints moving. Try to explore the range of motion by accentuating the circle. And try the other direction. Sit up a little taller. I caught myself slouching. And try not to be a breath holder here. Let's do 3 and a 2 and a 1. Great. Okay. Starting with your chin, We're going to push the chin forward, and I'm leaning forward, looking up, letting that move undulate through my body, kind of like a wave, right? So I'm gonna actually look down, move chin forward, look up, come back sitting tall. Looking down, leaning forward, coming back up, tall, looking down, lift chin up, looking up, looking forward. Doo-doo, doo-doo. One more, creating wave-like motions in our body. Could we reverse that? It's a real question. I'm not sure. We're going to look up, lean forward with the collarbone, look down, and kind of rounding back up to sitting tall. Oh, we can. Look up, collarbone high, looking down, bring it back. Look up, reaching forward and down. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale. A last time. Great, lovely. Let's get the legs moving a little bit, exploring rotations, bringing our heels together and our knees apart. And I'm just holding on to the side. You just hold on to the side of your chair or the arms of your chair. And we're going to lift the heels and send the heels out. Lift the heels, send the heels in. They maybe touch in the middle and drop down. Lift and out. Lift and in. Lift and out. Lift and in. Now, when I drop my heels down on the way out, I'm trying to get a bit of a internal rotation where my knees are coming in a little closer. That's what I'm trying to do. It might be depending on your hip limitations or mobility. You might just be going parallel as opposed to internally rotated. So let's think about knees going out and knees coming in, and knees going out and knees coming in, as heels come in and heels go out, and heels come in and heels go out. Last time, rotating in and rotating out. Okay, so sitting up tall here, we're going to focus a bit on the lower body. I want you to lift. Can you see this? Lifting the heels, dropping the heels down. Just lift and lower and lift and lower. Try not to change your upper body, just popping and dropping those heels. So you feel the tips of the toes, a little bit of pressure in the tips of the toes as the heels pop and drop and pop and drop. Let's add a move here. When the heels drop, let's try lifting the toes, and if you can, also lifting the balls of the feet, and then lowering that down. Heels, drop, toes lift, drop, heels, drop, toes, drop, heels and toes, heels and toes. Forward. So it's a bit of a forward and a back, kind of a forward and a back action here, but the rest of your body stays still. Now, maybe you can, no, never mind. Not important, not important at all. Let's keep that going, but let's find that external rotation, opening the toes and the knees out to the sides as we lift heels and toes. Kind of roll through the foot. 3, 2, 1. Bring it back to parallel, and now drop one heel then the other, so we're alternating. Yes. So one knee pops higher than the other as that same side heel pops. Keep that going. Reach the arms forward. Now the knee that's higher, the opposite arm is higher. Switch, 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 switch. Boom, 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 boom. Let's add a little double pulse. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. More. Do, do. Last time. Good job. Interlace those fingers and press the palms together. Inhale, sit tall and look up. Exhale, open it out. Again, interlace and press and look up. And open it out. Press through and lift up. And open it out. The way that you're always interlacing, can you just try it the other way? Just try, just think about it. I don't know. Maybe you can. Last time, the way you never interlace feels weird, but let's stay here. So shoulders on top of hips. Let's send it to the side bend. Press heels down. Other way, side bend. One more each way. Pressing down. And lower the arms. So let's reach one hand either across the opposite leg or to the arm of the chair, and let's twist, looking over that back shoulder. Now, can you sit up a little higher, a little taller? Maintain the twist, and we're just going to move the upper spine, looking forward and back, and forward and back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time, let's stay looking back and see if the back hand can also reach back behind you. 3, 2, and 1. Great. Ooh, feels different in my body now. Lovely. Try the other hand across to the opposite leg or the arm of the chair and sit up tall and twist looking behind you. Now maintain your rotation in the trunk of the body and just moving the neck and head looking forward and back. Inhale forward and back. Heels drop. Don't be a heel popper here. And forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Last time. Now stay looking back, and the arm that's the closest to where you're looking back is going to reach behind you. And come back to the center. Let's see if we can lift one leg up, maybe using some assistance with our hands, and cross it over the opposite leg here. Now you can use hands holding onto the chair or hands resting on that top leg, and let's flex the foot. Now the top knee, can we lift it and lower? Lift it and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Can you keep the knee lower? Sit up taller. And this is a small little shifting move, just shifting side to side, using my bottom leg, kind of rolling on my foot, inner and outer foot, side to side. Just exploring hip and knee mobility, range of motion, flexibility, positivity. And last time, side to side. Bring it back to the center, sit up taller, and let's explore, can we bring our chest a little forward and shoulders back on top of hips? Forward and center. Forward and center. Forward, let's breathe in. Relax shoulders. Okay, and bring that foot down. Take a breath in the middle. And let's try picking up the second leg. Might feel a little different than the first leg. Try not to lean back here. I know it's so tempting, it's so comfy. Try to keep those core muscles working by removing that support system. Flex the top foot, and let's lift the knee and lower. Lift and lower. Now let's say you have one side that feels a little bit more tight or restricted. You might want to do a few more repetitions here. Spend a little bit more time. It's usually always the second side because your body automatically, being so intelligent, will just go to the easier side first. And inhale, lift, and exhale. See if we can keep that knee, not pressing it down, but just, encouraging it. It's okay to relax around the muscles around the kneecap. It's okay. And now just shifting side to side. From that bottom leg rolling out and in. Supination, pronation, just to use my terminology. Sit up a little taller, breathe a little deeper, out and in, and out and in. Now without being too far out or too far in, just find that perfect placement, that's all. And then sit up tall and let's see if we can lean forward. Oh, hello. And coming right back up again. Leaning forward and returning. Leaning forward. So you might feel like you're lifting off of those sitting bones or just getting lighter, not so much pressure on those sitting bones. One more time, let's stay forward. Let's breathe in. Let's relax those shoulders and arms. Slowly coming back up. Place that foot down. Give it a little kind of shake, shake, shake here. Inhale up. And exhale.